Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make graph in Excel. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's jump into the tutorial. The first step is to go to Insert. Here, in Charts, click here. And select the one you want. I will do it with the first one. Now, right-click here. Select Data, Add, and here you should type sales or whatever you have. Then click here and select the numbers. Okay, then click on Edit. And here you will select the dates, months, or years you want in the graph. Okay, and you are done. If you found the video useful, leave me a like. I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching.